Hello guys, in this video we will see Linux date command with examples. Linux date command is used to display the system current date and time. Also we can use Linux date command to set the system date. To set the system date we must have root privileges. Let's see the manual of date command. Simply open terminal and type man date or date -- help. Both are same. Okay. Now man date. See the description. Display the current time in the given format or set system date. Mandatory arguments. Okay. Description is display the current time in the given format or set the system date, and these are the options: -d or -date to display the time. Display time described by -f file and ISO setting or email RFC. or main important things are format options. See, percentile, a literal percentile. Percentile A means abbreviated week name. Percentile means abbreviated full week name, full weekday name. Like this we have B for abbreviation and capital B for full month, C for date and time, and other option is day of the month. Capital A means date, F means full date, G means last two digits of EA or ISO. -H means same as B. -H means hour. It's 24 hours format. -I hour, 12 hours format. Like this we have different options. Different format options are there. Press Q to quit. In your terminal just type man and date. Then press enter. See, press the spacebar to go to next step. Once you reach end of the manual, then press Q on your keyboard. Quit from this manual. Now we will see the syntax. Syntax is man date. See, this is the syntax or synopsis. See, this is the syntax: date, option and format type. Date, then we have to give the format option. In the first example we will see just print the date. See, current date is November 16 and time is 1 PM EST 2021. Now second example is print the date with date part and time part separately by using date command. Whatever the commands I am going to execute in this video are available in the video description. Date space, then plus date, then colon, percentile M means month, then forward slash, then percentile D means day of the month, then then slash, then year. It's a capital Y means year, then percentile, then N means next line, then time, colon, percentile H means hour, colon, percentile M means minutes, then colon, percentile S, then close the quotations, then press enter. See, date is 11/16/2021 and time is 1:44 post meridian. If you want to set the system date, we have to run the command date --set equals to the new time. Press enter. See, we got the error because to set the system date we must have the root privileges or we must log in with root user. Just switch to root user and execute above. At present I am not interested to change my system date, but if you want to change the system date, use date, then -- set option equals to new date. Okay. Next example is we have to display the date string in the format of a date. Date -d, then 2022 10, then 10 07 07 07, then close the quotation. See, Monday, October 10 2022. If we want to find future date, we can use the same date command with the accepted values such as tomorrow, Friday, last Friday, next Saturday, next Monday, next week, 2 years ago, 2 months ago, like that. Now I am going to check future day after 5 days from today, whether it's a Sunday or Monday, like that we will see. Date -- date equals to quotations 5 day. See, from 5th day from now onwards is Sunday. If you want to check 8th day, it is Wednesday. The same if you want to check the last week details, then just give the last week. See, it is November 9th. Last example, we are going to create a file with the date and time appending. You can create files by using touch, cat or VA or any other Linux. Now I am going to create a file by using touch command. Touch, then file name, backup underscore dollar, in brackets we have to give date, then give the space plus symbol, then %d, %m, %y, and close the bracket, then press enter. Let's see the file created or not. The name backup underscore date ls-ldrh. See, the file is created with first one is day of the month, month of the year, and year. In the same way, if you want to create log file, just give at the end log. See, it has created. Let's verify. See, the file created with log. The same way, if you want to create sh file or script file, just replace log with sh ls-ldrh. See, file has been created successfully with the current date and time. So in this video we have seen Linux date command with example. For more Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.